An emotive space is a realm of perception. Perception is a personal interpretation of an experience. It means that there is a direct interaction between the physical world and the mind. When we live in a constructed reality made of perceptions, we live in our own space and time. An emotive space should not be defined by a fixed set of true measurements. The exact numerical values should rather be coincidental. Instead, a space should be defined by how we feel. We use adjectives such as wide, narrow, deep, shallow, high, low, far, and near to describe spatial qualities only when the spaces have evoked a strong sensation within us. Emotive spaces provoke sensations. When we react to the surroundings, it gives rise to the concept of time. Without sensation, time stops in a realm of perception. Time only stops when we cease to exist. We do not want time to stop, but instead slow down so we can savor every moment that we are alive. To do so, we can slow down our perception of time. Our perception of time depends on how we experience our surroundings. Just like spaces, the empirical measurement of time does not matter to us when we are in our emotive spaces. In our realm of perception, the duration of an instant is defined only by perceivable cues. Take the settings of Madonna del Monte. The only measure of time is from the changes of the tides, the oscillation of the winds and waves, the quality of daylight, and the frequency in which precipitation falls. We can control how we perceive those sensations by how we choose to shape our emotive space. We can create various channels in which water flows, various altitude in which water falls, various obstructions in which winds may pass, various directions we choose to see the sun, all to manipulate our perception of time so that it is no longer linear and solid. In our realm of perception, we can create our own flood and our own Noah's Ark to drown our sorrowful past and find new vantage points so that we may be reborn and once again find new directions to our lives. Once we can change our perception of things, we can break free from the confines of what we thought is actual and absolute. We can find new paths that lead us to new possibilities, new beginnings from old ends. An emotive space also creates a lasting impression and resides in our memories. We remember not as much as to what happened, but to how the things that happened make us feel. We remember our perception of things, and therefore, an emotive space lives vividly in our minds. But yet it is not solid or set in stones. It transcends all material reality. It will continue to inspire creativity and generate hope. It will linger on and become our soul's refuge. It will be the fortress that safeguards our perception and attitude to life.